Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to give dimensions when you are tracing picture in AutoCAD 2022. So here it is. First, you guys have to uh, modify the dimension style. You just have to type here DIMSTY, press, and you see here ISO 25. You have to click modify, and you have to set the setting here according to the drawing. So here is my setting, the symbol and arrows, setting for the text, fit, here is the crucial part, scale, and also the primary unit. Here precision, so I have to use 0.00 to decimal places, and also here you just have to take one decimal places. So here is my setting, so just click the OK, close. So first of all, here we just have to click this dimension here, or this one linear here, or this one, but in this case I choose this. I click once, and then you guys have to click here. Alright, have to click there, and after that you have to enter the length. What is the length here? 6,000. We can see here 6,000. So don't click the second point just enter the 6,000 first. Enter the 6,000 and then enter. You can enter at the keyboard. Enter. You can see here it's 6,000, so it is correct. Alright, so here it is. So we have our 6,000 here, because before this we learned about the dimension is must have object, right? But this time we can give the dimensions without having click any on the object. Alright, I want to show you. Before this we just doing like this, but in this case, in the case of tracing, we can do like this. Just click these dimensions, click the first point, don't click the second point, just enter the dimensions, just type the dimensions. So 7,100, so will 7,100. You see here, okay, it is correct. It is correct, guys. We just doing like that. I hope that this sharing is beneficial for you. Thank you.